Hello, welcome to this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, sharing in this now moment with myself and with one another. If you haven't seen these videos before, welcome back if you have. My intention is unity and oneness in the highest levels of love light. I am among some beautiful trees doing a trek in Yosemite, and I'll be sharing a video about that at some point, but for now I'm just going to be doing a little white language and a little see what comes through. A very short video. Again, this is sometimes just meant to be felt, not necessarily understood on a linear level.
Kuona ea ua he esteste kina ua wia titin ua mak uana hat ena ke wala ak ust a and ak est ua ela ak una in ala a usta anhinara ak esteru ura ian a indo una na estenina ak uniana ki inni titi ana awa ya uk uenia Tia ohe eniste ek o anehek I an ak unaha ene ti anna aya ak unaha ea tu anna at it ak uhak enna ist ak enehea unia na anda o ui ai hawana este awakuana ti awakunua ine awakukua heasteneata. Little mashup here. Kueti stina hak enaha it iawaha a este eneki ueatea uaha o uenati kuwa a usta at enaha I ayaha uak inhia. We seek to remind you of your brotherhood and sisterhood with all of Mother Nature. For what it is that you seek to find within yourself is always streaming through the nature of the clouds, the essence of the trees, the surrounding sounds that is moving through the wind and the breeze, that which ignites the cleansing, the movement and the flow of water. And within you, all of these things exist in the truth of all that you are. For often you are seeking outside of what it is that is truly inside. That is truly magnificent in size. As you step out of the lines of mechanisms that no longer support the higher mechanizations of reality, as you allow yourself to flow back into what it is that you are truly a part of, leaving behind the incompassionate ways and wavelengths that many have been feeding off of for centuries, we invite you to get back in line with the trees, with Mother Nature, with all that you are in nurturing, compassionate unavoiding that which you truly have the potential for creating within your own landscape. For as you allow yourself to create your landscape, you step away from escaping that which you truly are, the magnificence, the magnificent that you have been, that you are, that you will be, all exists within you now. Many of you feel that you have been sent here for a purpose, for a mission. And we invite you to see that you are the purpose, that you are creating with purpose. And as you recognize this, all that you seek to create, all that you think you are here to create will unfold from you in peaceful harmonization. For the elementals, the elemental kingdom is always here as a support network for you. For you are intricately interwoven in the fabric of creation, in the breath that is the life that you are connected to, that you are moving through, out of, and from, is you. There is no separation. This is a misconception that has been handed down, cast down, that has cast many down into feeling alone and isolated. For we are all connected, interconnected and interwoven. Step back into the stillness of remembering that we are all one. We already are in abundance, for all that is around us is abundantly expressing in a light field. Allow the ancestors to unfold from your lineage through your speech patterns, your soundology, your thought processes, layered all from the heartfelt connectedness to all that is within you. For we are all brand new in every given breath. Getting a little emotional. Let go of the need to observe your surroundings and think that you are separate, think that you are not worthy. For all of this is man-made. Allow these falsities, these false belief systems that many have accepted as their own, to fall away. Come back into the truth. Lay in the sands. Swim in the oceans. Place your feet on the river, rocks, and allow all that is nature to flow, to greet you, to remind you of all that you are connected to in truth, in beauty, in wonder, in joy. For within this joy, within this enjoyment, within this realization comes the flow, the reactivation and remembrance of who you are and what you are capable of. For all of creation is within us. Tua wahete te kua na yaha ua ana ua waheta tua waano kua. And so it is. So it is. Namaste.